fencing walls for the security of the port to secure the entry and exit to the port. Damaged ground structure will be fixed with concrete. We will also provide a water tank with a capacity of 800 tons and a fuel tank with a capacity of 75 tons. There will be a platform scale at the entrance of the port which can measure up to 100 tons, which will enable the establishment of a healthy and modern control system. For support services, fire trucks and emergency vehicles and all their equipment will be provided. Administrative buildings and maintenance ateliers will be renewed and re-established. Damaged warehouses will be repaired, and the capstan heads will be renewed. In order to serve at international standards as a port of loading and discharge, we will install a crane with a capacity of 100 tons. We will also provide 6 more cranes with 5 to 10 tons of capacity to serve for the open and small pack cargo to be unloaded off the board and be handled on the ground. South deck, which should have been at 9 meters depth but lowered to 6 meters, will be levered to 9 meters again by clearing the seafloor under the deck. Marine boats, trailers, and pilot motors will be purchased in order to enhance the ability to berth and maneuver. All necessary equipment that are required for the operation of a port will be purchased. All power lines and power system will be completely renewed, with a generator at 1,200 kVA capacity. Vessels, potable water and wastewater lines will be renewed in order to enable planned, systematic and rapid load and discharge. We will also install 3 forklifts of 3 tons, 2 forklifts of 5 tons, and 1 forklift of 15 tons. We will provide a container slow service at port with a stacker of 45 tons. We will also give higher quality and faster service for open cargo, with our cranes suited especially for the load and discharge of the open cargo. Finally, with 6 towers with the capacity of 40 tons, we will open the port to a modern and high-quality service. With our 50 years of presence and our experience in international trade and investment, we are ready to cast anchor at Mogadishu Port to build the bright future of our fellow and our friend Somalia state.